Hey guys, so I hope you enjoyed the blink example. Now we will try to modify it and convey something in Morse code by blinking the same LED using international Morse code standards to basically convey a message. And like just blinking the LED is not satisfactory, so we will also be deploying a 5-volt buzzer as I am showing here. So this is a 3v3 buzzer, and we'll be also shorting it with this LED pin, this one, so that whenever the LED blinks, the buzzer will also get activated. So these are the contents of the basic kit which we will be using for demonstrating the Morse code example. This is the power supply module. It contains a USB-C connector, as you can see here. Then this is the ESP32 rover board. This will act as our microprocessor. This is a conductive ink pen. I'll get to it shortly. And this is a cleaning pen. Now to use the conductive ink pen, you just have to shake it a bit, then apply it on a small piece of paper, just a dot, so that you don't waste this ink, and then you just apply it. The idea here is that you can see all these options available. These are pins that are shorted with the rover pins, and you have a option of shorting each and every jumper and connecting with the pins on this header so that you can connect stuff to it. So guys, now we will be shorting the AB jumper so that we will be able to connect the positive of the buzzer to that. So as you can see, I have shorted it. So let it dry, and we will then connect the negative pin to the ground. First we will assemble it. The beauty of the E-LAGORi stack is that all the headers have the same connections. So the pin on the lower module is the same as the pin on the upper module. So we will connect the ground pin here, and we will connect the positive to the AB pin, which is here. Yeah, so as you can see, these are the connections, and that's it. So now we will upload the Morse code example into the assembly that we just made. We have selected the ESP32 rover module already, and this is the COM port it is connected to. Press Ctrl U, upload the code. So we will be able to hear how E-LAGORi sounds in international Morse. As you can see, the code is now uploading. If you can see, this jumper has been shorted with the conductive ink. So I'll just demonstrate how it works. So using this cleaning pen, you can just apply some liquid, and you can just check if the conductive ink is off, and then just rub it off. So as you can see, the pads are now disconnected.